Welcome to Rick's Firearm Academy of Detroit's personal protection tips. Every episode of this series is designed with safety in mind. Each episode is designed to give you one personal protection, personal safety tip to help keep you safe. This information is delivered in nice bite-sized installments. You can take it, assimilate it, adopt it, and make yourself a more hardened target. Before we get started with today's personal protection tip, I want to pause for station identification. This is Rick's Firearm Academy of Detroit. We run a blog, Legally Armed in Detroit. We have a page on YouTube, presumably that's where you're seeing this video, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and a few other places on social media. Look for us, check out our content. If you like it, press the like button, share it with your friends, comment, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Okay, today's personal protection tip: a half full fuel tank is the new empty. One way to enhance your personal safety is to never run out of gas on the road. Accordingly, you should give strong consideration to never allowing your fuel gauge to register less than half full. Should you ever be followed by a would-be predator on the road, you will have enough gas to make it to a safe destination, such as an open police station. In addition, by conditioning yourself to always having at least a half tank of gas, you will not be a victim of opportunity by being stalled on the side of the road, which is very important. If for whatever reason, let's say you run out of gas and your car stalls and you're stopped on the side of the road, a lot of people will pass you by. However, it's the people who stop who will give you pause and make you question whether their intentions are noble or not. Also, in the other circumstance, if you always have at least half a tank, that allows you some options. If you have a half tank of gas and you decided you need to fill up, if you arrive to or at a gas station that has some sketchy looking people loitering on the premises, there's a lot of high traffic, a lot of people there who don't seem to be involved in patronizing that shop bar, but are engaged in a lot of other, shall we say, details or concerns. That is a high traffic area with a whole lot of other stuff going on, and you definitely should not be there. If you were to arrive with your gas tank on E for empty, you probably would have to be subjected to that environment and everything that is in it. So that is why halfway is the new empty in today's personal protection consciousness that we're looking to foster for this new time period, this new millennium, this new era of being responsible for your personal safety. The goal ultimately is F for full. Halfway is the new empty. Keep your gas tank at least half full. This has been Rick Ector's personal protection tips. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe.